With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So in this question it is given that A solid giving B plus C gas where Kp1 value is 36 atmosphere square and E giving B plus D gas Kp2 value is given as 64 atmosphere square. Both solids A and E were taken in a container of constant volume at a given temperature. So the total pressure in the container after equilibrium is. So we need to find the total pressure in container after equilibrium is reached. So to begin with, what it is given is, first of all, A is there, which is a solid on equilibrium is giving B gas plus C gas. Assuming the pressure as P, okay, at constant pressure they have given. So assuming the pressure as P1, so writing this will be equal to P1 and this will be equal to P1, okay. Now we have a second reaction also in this case, that is E solid is giving equilibrium as B gas plus D gas. So the B gas is common over here, and assuming the pressure for this one is P2 and this will be also P2. So B is common, therefore P1 will be added over here, and also in this case P2 will be added since B gas is common in both the cases. So the both pressure will be added, and it is said that it is taken in a same container, okay. Now the Kp1 value for this will be equal to, the Kp1 value is going to be equal to partial pressure of B multiplied by partial pressure of C, right? Because this will not be considered as it is a solid, so the partial pressure would be equal to unity, and here Kp2 value will be equal to partial pressure of B multiplied by partial pressure of D, okay. So from this we can say that this is equal to 36 atm square, and here we have P2 plus P1. So what we can do in this case is that Kp2 value we have found out and Kp1 value we have found out. So we can substitute the value for Pb here. So it is going to be Kp1 is going to be Pb is P1 plus P2, right? So you can write here P1 plus P2 into P1, because Pc we have value as partial pressure as P1, okay. So this will be written like this. Moving forward, Kp2 can be written as Pb, we have the value as P2 plus P1 multiplied by P2, okay. Then what we can do, we can just add these terms, that is Kp1 and Kp2. So adding Kp1 and Kp2, what we are going to get, Kp1 plus Kp2 is equal to multiplying these, first of all, P1 square plus P2 P1, okay. This is my Kp1 term, plus this is P2 square plus P2 P1. If you add this, this is going to be equal to P1 square plus P2 square plus 2 P1 P2, and this is of the type A plus B the whole square, where this is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. So this can be written as P1 plus P2 the whole square, okay. Now we know the value of Kp1 and Kp2, that is 36 plus 64, which is given in the question. This is equal to P1 plus P2 the whole square. Therefore this can be written as 100 is equal to P1 plus P2 the whole square. When you square root this, the value you are going to get is P1 plus P2 is equal to 10. So you got the value for P1 plus P2 is equal to 10. Now it is asked the total pressure. The total pressure of the gas will be equal to, in this container, if you see the reaction, you have, this is taken in the same reaction vessel. So you have B, C and D. B is common over here, so we can take B1 so itself. So this will be equal to, the P total pressure is going to be equal to Pb plus Pc plus Pd. So Pb value we have as P1 plus P2, and Pc value we have as P1, and Pd value we has as P2, okay. So if you see, this is 1 P1 and 1 P2, and this is 1 P1 plus 1 P2, and we got the value for P1 plus P2 as 10. So this can be equal to 10 plus 10, which will give me the value as 20 atmosphere. So let's see if 20 atmosphere is there or not in the options. If you see option number D, we have 20 atmospheres. So this will be the correct answer for this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.